Ever wondered if the universe can exist without you? As an outside observer, it may seem a ludicrous question, but let's delve deeper. You see, it's easy to feel insignificant in the grand scheme of the cosmos, like a single grain of sand on an endless beach. But what if we told you that your existence, your perception, might be more intertwined with the universe than you think? Now, before you dismiss this as mere philosophical conjecture, consider what we know about the universe. It's vast, mysterious, and full of phenomena that defy our understanding. But our knowledge and perception of the universe are fundamentally grounded in our human experiences. We perceive the world around us through our senses, interpret it through our minds, shaping our reality. But what is reality? Well, it's a question that has puzzled philosophers, scientists, and thinkers for centuries. Some argue that reality is objective, existing independently of our minds. Others propose a more subjective perspective, suggesting that our reality is a construct of our perceptions and experiences. This introduces the idea of a subjective reality, a reality that is unique to each individual, shaped by their perceptions and experiences. So if our reality is subjective, influenced by our individual experiences and perceptions, what does that mean for our understanding of the universe? Could it be that the universe we perceive, the stars, the galaxies, the vast expanse of space and time, is a subjective universe? A universe that exists because we perceive it, because we are here to experience it. Here's a thought. Imagine that each of us is an observer of our own unique universe, a universe that ceases to exist when we do. It's a mind-bending concept, isn't it? But it's a question worth pondering. So, is it possible that with your death comes the death of the entire universe? Hold that thought as we explore further. Many scientists and philosophers have grappled with these questions, offering some intriguing theories. Let's start with solipsism, an extreme philosophical viewpoint that suggests only one's mind can be sure to exist. In essence, a solipsist believes their personal perceptions are the only verifiable reality, suggesting that without them, the universe may well cease to exist. It's a thought-provoking but controversial theory that pushes the boundaries of what we understand as existence. Next, we delve into the multiverse theory, a concept that sprouted from the field of theoretical physics. It proposes the existence of an infinite number of universes, including the one we inhabit. Each universe within this multiverse could have different physical laws, dimensions, and realities. So, if one were to cease to exist in this universe, they might still be present in another. It's a dizzying thought, isn't it? And then we have quantum physics, a field that has consistently challenged our perception of reality. Quantum theory suggests that particles can exist in multiple places at the same time until observed. This has led some to speculate that our observation might shape the universe itself. If we extend this idea, one could argue that without an observer, the universe might not exist in the way we understand it. However, it's essential to note that these theories, as fascinating as they are, remain just that, theories. They represent the diversity of human thought and our relentless quest to understand our place in the cosmos. Some find solace in believing in their unique universe shaped by their perceptions, while others find comfort in the idea of being part of an infinite multiverse. Yet others are captivated by the strange and counterintuitive world of quantum physics. The nature of existence is a complex, ongoing debate, with each theory offering a different lens through which we can view our relationship with the universe. As we continue to question, explore, and theorize, we push the boundaries of our understanding, constantly reshaping our perception of reality. As we can see, these theories present different perspectives on our relationship with the universe. One fascinating concept that bridges the gap between science and philosophy is the observer effect. This intriguing principle originates from the realm of quantum physics, where the very act of observation can alter the outcomes of certain events. It's as if the universe is saying, "I know you're watching, so I'm going to behave differently." Picture this. You're in a room with a cat inside a box. According to the famous thought experiment by physicist Erwin Schrödinger, until you open that box, the cat exists in a state of superposition. It is both alive and dead at the same time. The act of you opening the box to observe the cat forces the universe to make a decision, collapsing the superposition into one state or the other, alive or dead. Now, if we take a philosophical leap from this, we land on an intriguing proposition, that through our observations we may well be shaping our own reality. Just as the cat's fate is determined when we observe it, our reality too might be molded by our observations. This is not to say that we can simply wish things into existence. Rather, it suggests that the nature of reality could be more subjective than we usually consider. The way we perceive and interpret the world around us might have a more significant role in shaping our existence than we realize. And here's where it gets even more mind-bending. If our observations can affect the reality on a quantum level, what implications does this have on a universal scale? Could the universe be an intricate tapestry woven together by the collective observations of all conscious beings? So, could our observations be shaping the universe itself? Let's delve deeper into this idea. The universe may be more intimately connected with us than we ever thought possible. This is not just about the stars in the sky or the earth under our feet, but the very fabric of existence itself. The universe may not just be out there. It might be a part of us, and we a part of it. We've all heard the phrase, perception is reality. But could our perceptions actually be creating our reality? Let's ponder over this for a moment. In the realm of philosophy, there's a fascinating concept known as the subjective universe. This concept proposes that each of us, in essence, creates our own reality, shaped and molded by our perceptions, experiences, and consciousness. It challenges the notion of a shared objective universe, instead suggesting that each person's universe is unique and individual. Now, this idea might sound a bit outlandish at first. We're all used to the idea of a shared reality, aren't we? We believe in a world that exists independently of us, a world that we merely observe and interact with. But what if that's not entirely accurate? What if our very perception, our consciousness, plays a more active role? In this subjective universe, it's not just about observing the world around us, it's about creating it. Our perceptions, thoughts, and experiences aren't just passive responses to the world. They're the very tools we use to construct our reality. Think of it like this. Every time you experience something, you're not just experiencing an event in an external objective world. Instead, you're creating a unique version of that event in your subjective universe, a version that's influenced by your thoughts, your feelings, your past experiences. This concept, while intriguing, also raises a host of challenging questions. How does this idea relate to the concept of an objective reality? Can we ever truly understand someone else's subjective universe? And perhaps most intriguingly, if our perceptions create our reality, then what happens when those perceptions change, or when they cease to exist altogether? So, it seems our existence may indeed have a profound effect on the universe, but what does this mean for us? As we move forward, let's delve deeper into these questions and explore the potential implications of a subjective universe. If our existence shapes the universe, what are the implications? And what does this mean for our understanding of death and the end of the universe? In the grand cosmic dance, we are not mere spectators, but active participants, shaping the universe with our perceptions. This fundamental shift in perspective has profound implications on our understanding of life, death, and the universe itself. We traditionally see life as a journey with a beginning and an end, a finite experience within an infinite universe. But if our theories hold water, then the concept of life and death takes on a new dimension. Life is no longer a mere flash in the pan of cosmic time, but a vital cog in the machinery of the universe. Death, then, is not the end, but a shift in the observer's perception. It's akin to changing the channel on a cosmic television. The show doesn't end, the viewer simply moves on to a different program. Now let's take a step further. If our existence shapes the universe, what happens when we cease to exist? Does the universe end with our death? Not quite. The universe of our perception may cease, but the universe as a whole continues. It's as if every individual is a unique universe, a bubble of perception within the cosmic foam. When one bubble pops, the foam remains, ever shifting, ever expanding. This theory also nudges us towards a more holistic understanding of the universe. We are not separate from the cosmos, but an integral part of it. We don't merely reside in the universe, we are the universe, experiencing itself through a myriad of perspectives. So, can the universe exist without you? The answer may be as complex and unique as the universe itself. This is not a question with a simple yes or no answer, but a philosophical quandary that invites us to reconsider our place in the grand scheme of things. It's a cosmic conundrum that underscores our deep interconnectedness with the universe and the profound impact of our existence on the cosmic tapestry.